Welcome. Thank you for participating in the first ever online student conference hosted by the College of Professional and Global Education at San Jose State University. This video guide will help you prepare your pre-recorded video presentation for the conference. We're going to guide you through some of the steps that are involved in creating a video. Follow this pathway with us as we share tips, tools, and resources for your success. A good way to start is creating an outline. This will help you organize the content and flow of your presentation. Think about your message and decide what's important and what's not. As you prepare, start reading your text out loud and timing it. You'll quickly get a feel for what can and can't be included in a short presentation. It's best to do this early on so you don't invest extra time working on sections that you will have to cut out later. Start by introducing yourself and the topic of your presentation. Then, give an overview describing your project or research. Sharing a summary of the main points and ideas at the beginning can help your audience focus on what's most important. Then, in the conclusion, you can repeat the key takeaways. You can also add an extra slide at the end that lists your references. You'll want to create slides that are easy to read and understand. Too much clutter will distract your audience from listening to you. Stick to the essential information and avoid adding long text to your slides that you read aloud as a script. Bullet points with keywords are useful and can help your audience focus on your message. Images and infographics can be used as visual aids to engage your audience. Just make sure that they're relevant to the point you're making. You can create your own graphics by using a tool like Canva, or search for images on sites like Unsplash and Pixabay. Just be aware of copyright issues. There are many different options to choose from for creating graphics and slides that are free and easy to use, such as Google Slides, Canva, and Piktochart. And remember, Microsoft Office 365 and Adobe Creative Cloud are free to SJSU students. There's also a wide variety of software programs that can be used for recording and editing videos. You may decide that it's best to stick with what you know, or you may choose to explore something new that you haven't used before. Whatever tools you decide to use, make sure you get familiar with the technology and feel comfortable using it. There are many video tutorials that have been created by Info 203 peer mentors at SJSU iSchool. You can find these on the iSchool website under Student Resources, Academic Support. These include how-tos for creating slides with Prezi, Google Slides, PowerPoint, creating graphics with Adobe Spark and Piktochart, using Canvas Studio to record a Google Slides presentation, and much, much more. Whether you're appearing on camera or only doing a voiceover, here are a few suggestions. First, rehearse your script a few times out loud so it feels natural. Then, when you're ready, record a short clip of one section and play it back. Then ask yourself, is my voice too soft or too loud? Am I talking too slow or too fast? Am I visible or in the shadows? Is there anything else that isn't quite right? Then go ahead and adjust the volume, lighting, speed, and correct any other issues you noticed and record another short clip. Once you're satisfied, ask a friend to look at it. They may notice something you missed. When you're ready, record one long take. If you make a mistake, don't stop the recording. Just slow down for a moment, redo that section, and move on. This is much easier than trying to get the perfect take in one go. Later, you can edit the video to keep only what is good and delete the rest. This will allow you to easily insert slides or other material in between and improve the flow. Once the final version is ready, there are 3 ways you can provide us with a direct link to your video presentation. First, if you have made a cloud recording in Zoom, Share the link and use these settings. Share publicly. Viewers can download file. Viewers can see chat and transcript. Turn off password protection and view on demand. Second, you can upload the video file to your Google Drive and share the URL. Please select anyone on the internet with this link can view. Third, you can choose to upload the file to YouTube. If you don't already have a YouTube account, it's easy to create one. Just log in to your SJSU Google account, go to YouTube, and select Create an Account. That's it. Now you can go ahead and click the Create Video icon and select Upload Video. Enter the title of your presentation, then in the description field include presented by, your name, a brief description, and add the conference details, including the date. When the upload is complete, set video visibility to public and click Publish. Thank you for listening and best of luck. We're sure you'll do well, and we're looking forward to seeing your video presentation at our upcoming online student conference in February 2022.